Deploying your A150 pipe crawler. To start, unpack your A150 and set it near your deployment site. The A150 with the camera mounted directly to the body using only the base tracks can fit inside a 6-inch pipe. With large wheels and the elevating arm fully extended, the A150 centers the camera in a 24-inch pipe. Connect the tether to the crawler. Connect your controller to your reel. Power the unit on. Center the camera. Test the lights, camera, and wheels to ensure the unit is working properly. Insert the microSD card into the microSD card slot. Use the lifting hook and the tether to lift and deploy the A150. Once the crawler is centered in the pipe, set the tether counter to 0. Press forwards or backwards on the front left joystick to drive forwards or backwards. Push sideways on the front left joystick to turn left or right. Use either set of arrow keys to adjust the maximum brightness of the lights on the crawler. Press right and left on the back right joystick to raise or lower the elevating arm. Use the front right joystick to point the camera head in any direction. Start video recording with the gray button on the right-hand side of the screen. Take a photo by pressing the gray button on the left-hand side of the screen. All these buttons can be reprogrammed based on the user's preference. While pushing forwards on the left stick, press the cruise control button to enable forward cruise control of the crawler. Push forwards or backwards on the left stick to adjust the cruise speed as needed. To retrieve the crawler, you can select either retrieval mode or retrieval cruise mode. Begin by ensuring the crawler is stopped. For retrieval mode, press the cruise control button to activate it. Then manually retrieve the crawler by pulling the tether. For retrieval cruise mode, press the cruise control button. Pull back on the left stick, and the screen will show retrieval cruise is on. Then pull on the tether. The crawler will return at full speed. To stop the retrieval, press the cruise control button again or push forward on the joystick. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides.